The Intersect tool performs a geometric overlap of your input features. So this means that any input features that overlap each other will be part of the output feature class. This tool is very similar to the clip tool, but the main difference is that it keeps all the attributes from all overlapping layers. For example, let's say we have a set of points in two regions like in our map. How do we know which point belongs to which region? The easiest way to do this is by running the Intersect tool. Today we're going to demonstrate this tool in ArcGIS Pro. To start using this tool, go to the Analysis tab and click the Tools button. Type Intersect in the search bar and click Enter. Likely, it will be the first tool that pops up in your search. Make sure you click the Intersect tool that's part of the Analysis tool set. Okay, let's click this one. Next thing you'll have to do is add your inputs. In our case, the points will be the first input, and the second input will be our regions layer. There are some other options here. We can change the ranks. We can also change the attributes to join if we want to, but I'm going to leave everything as the default. I'm also going to leave the output feature class as the default. Finally, let's make sure the output feature type is points. Okay, I think we're all ready. Click the Run button. This will take just a couple of seconds. It looks like the tool ran and our output is in the map. Now let's take a look at these attributes. You can see that we now know which region each point is located. If I select region A, those points will be highlighted. Same thing for region B. When I select these points in the output layer, it's only those points in region B. So we know which points belong to which region by using the Intersect tool. Well, there you have it. That's how the Intersect tool works in ArcGIS Pro. Other ways you can use the Intersect tool is to find any overlapping features. All you have to do is just use a single polygon layer as the input, and the tool will locate all the overlapping features in that layer. It's also great to run this tool before running summary statistics and pivot tables. For example, you can run a count on how many points we have in each region. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos in GIS. We'll see you next time.